Welcome! Whether you're new to laser cleaning or just need a refresher, this video will guide you through using your machine safely and effectively. Don't miss the free checklist at the end. Laser cleaning uses a focused beam of light to remove rust, paint, or dirt without chemicals or physical contact. It's precise, eco-friendly, and ideal for delicate surfaces. Your setup includes 4 components: the laser unit, a water chiller, the handheld cleaning head, and spare lenses. Let's get started. Always wear laser safety goggles, heat-resistant gloves, and a respirator. Even in open areas, fumes can harm you. For indoor work, use a fume extractor. It protects your lungs and keeps the lens clean. Fill the chiller with distilled water. In freezing temperatures, add antifreeze, but check your manual first. Never use tap water. Minerals can clog the system. Turn on the machine. If all indicator lights are green, you're ready. Red lights mean something's wrong. Stop and consult the manual. Is the protective lens clean? Dust or scratches reduce efficiency. Check that the red targeting dot is centered on your work area. Clear the workspace of flammable materials and people. Start with preset modes. They're tested for common jobs like rust removal. Always test settings on scrap material. For reflective surfaces, like aluminum, tilt the laser head to avoid dangerous reflections. Move the laser head until the beam is bright and you hear a high-pitched hum. That's the optimal distance for cleaning. Avoid sharp bends or crushing the cable. It's fragile. Power off the machine completely. Inspect the lens for dust or damage. Clean it gently with a lens cloth or replace it if scratched. Cover the laser head with the dust cap. Coil the fiber cable loosely. No kinks. Store the machine in a dry, dust-free area. Congratulations, you've mastered the basics. For a free step-by-step checklist, email us. Subscribe for more tips, and thanks for watching.